Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner in legal, financial, and compliance solutions for modern businesses. Today we're diving into something that's helping countless entrepreneurs and brands grow: franchise agreements. Whether you're a franchisor looking to expand your brand or a franchisee aiming to invest in an established business model, a well-drafted franchise agreement is your foundation for a smooth and successful journey. Explaining what a franchise agreement is. So, what exactly is a franchise agreement? It's a legally binding contract that defines the relationship between the franchisor, who owns the brand, and the franchisee, who operates the business using that brand. This agreement governs everything, from the use of trademarks, fee structures, and operational responsibilities, to marketing support, training, and even exit strategies. In short, it ensures that both parties are aligned, protected, and set up for long-term profitability. Key elements of a franchise agreement, spoken smoothly. At Filings Corner, we help you understand and implement all the crucial components of a franchise agreement. This includes granting rights to use the brand name, trademarks, and defining the territory where the franchisee can operate. We lay out the initial franchise fees, ongoing royalty structures, and the obligations around advertising and marketing contributions. We also include the franchisor's role in providing training and operational support. Clearly mention the duration of the agreement, conditions for renewal, and most importantly, how termination or exit will be handled if things change down the line. Every clause is drafted with legal clarity and commercial practicality. Documents you'll need. To prepare a robust franchise agreement, you'll need a few important documents. This starts with the Franchise Disclosure Document, or FDD, which includes the franchisor's business history, fee structures, and financials. Then, we'll need business registration and licenses for both the franchisor and franchisee, along with financial statements such as balance sheets and profit and loss reports. Franchisees must also provide proof of funds or investment capability, and in some cases, real estate or lease agreements for the proposed franchise location. At Filings Corner, we help you compile, review, and organize all of this efficiently. Amendments for evolving business needs. Franchise agreements often evolve over time, and that's where amendments come in. We assist clients in updating the agreement if there's a need to expand or revise territorial boundaries, adjust royalty or fee structures, or modify operational requirements based on market dynamics. We also help with renewing franchise terms and defining or refining exit conditions to handle disputes or closures smoothly. Whatever changes are required, Filings Corner ensures that they are legally sound and mutually agreeable. Why Filings Corner? Now you might be wondering, why choose Filings Corner? Because we combine deep legal and compliance expertise with financial structuring and tax planning, ensuring that your franchise agreement is not just compliant, but also profitable and future-ready. Our agreements are fully customized, whether you're a franchisor or a franchisee, and we support you end-to-end, right from drafting and documentation to amendments and dispute resolution. Call to action, strong close with branding. If you're planning to start or expand your franchise journey, don't leave things to chance. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your franchise agreement done professionally and efficiently. At Filings Corner, we simplify legal work so you can focus on growing your business.